many thousands of people who have vocal tract paralysis from ALS or stroke. And for these individuals, restoring the ability to communicate fast and effortlessly is one of their top priorities. And using neurotechnology and AI, we have the opportunity to do this using a brain-computer interface. So we're putting electrodes into the part of the brain that controls speaking, and as the person attempts to speak, we can detect the activity from hundreds of individual neurons. We can run that through AI algorithms to figure out what those patterns of neural firing mean at any given moment, and then transform that into words and sounds that are coming out of the computer. It's a privilege working on research that is not only at the frontier of understanding the brain, but also directly helps people. It's wonderful to see these devices actually used and to see the effect it has on our participants and their families. Winning this prize to me means that the world considers our work meaningful and impactful, and that's very gratifying. Science is really hard and most things don't work. So it's really great that when there are wins, that they can be recognized through prizes like this.
To learn more about the prize eligibility and submission requirements, go to cheninstitute.org/prize.